And so, Judy, will you please come up?
Hi, everybody. My name's Judy Ho, and I just wanted to come up here and give you a brief introduction to what I do. I work on a program called Technovation, and Jesse was gracious enough to give me a few minutes here to talk about it. A little bit about myself. I graduated with a bachelor's in electrical engineering from MIT, and I worked at Intel out here for about 4 years. And I recently joined the Technovation team here, which is a sub-program of the nonprofit called Iridescent. And what Technovation aims to do is to introduce more middle school and high school age girls to technology entrepreneurship. And the program is a 12-week program where they're paired with a female mentor from the tech industry, and they design and create an app prototype, and then they also create a business plan surrounding that app. And at the end of the 12 weeks, they pitch the idea to a group of real investors, and then in the end, 10 finalists are chosen, and they're brought to the Bay Area to pitch their ideas in person. And then a winner is selected, and that winner is granted a $10,000 grand prize to finish their app idea. And so this program has been going on for about 5 years now, or we're entering our 5th year, and we've reached over 1,300 girls in 19 countries. And we have a short video that we want to show you, just about some of the girls who've participated in the program already.
Point was solving a problem in the country, in our society.
Technovation made programming real. Like, what you're making is not just a project for a grade, but it's something to impact somebody.
What I like most was because it was really real time. Like, a lot of times when I did Java coding, it's not like we actually use it in real world situations. This is like an actual Android application that everyone can use it day to day.
I think it's also really empowering that we're able to create something and that we have the ability now to,
that we can use technology to do a lot of things, like creating not only apps, but creating all sort of things with technology and helping the society.
Yeah, and we're going to be saving lives too.
Our app is extremely relevant just because of school security breaches that have happened recently. So we just think that our app addresses those issues that are so prevalent right now.
We did a lot of work alongside the Nottinghamshire Police Force, and they actually said, you know, the concept of what we've come up with will change lives, and they've actually bought the template for the app. So when we go back to the UK, we've already started our business purely from this project.
Yeah, a lot of people like our idea because a lot of people don't wake up. So right now our alarm clock is basically like simple addition. So maybe we might expand it to more age groups, like maybe have harder problems. So you actually think more.
Our goal is to connect people who want to volunteer, who want to help, to the institutions in need.
Each country comes with a different problem, with a different opinion, and when you come together, you see what powerful solutions you bring, and that's the reason why we want more women in today's workforce as well.
We got our passports for most of them. Their passports last week, got visas 3 days ago, and this is their first time in America. It's everything. It's just been a great experience.
The challenge is the presentation, I think, because it's in English and our official language is Portuguese.
I think the biggest challenge was to start from nothing. Like, we didn't know how to program, we didn't know anything about a business plan, and we made it.
We formed a team, so the girls really didn't know one another that well.
So all of these students are from different grades. They probably have become best friends in some manner, you know, over the course of 12 weeks. And that's one of the outcomes as a teacher that we wanted to show them, the power of teamwork and the ups and downs.
Technology is so male-oriented, and having this opportunity for females to take, you know, an anchor in this field where we are not very prevalent, it's very empowering.
People mostly believe that ICT boys, fashion shopping girls. So us doing ICT and getting to this stage, it inspires a lot of girls, not only in our country but in Africa and the whole wide world.
For me, technology wasn't an option. Like, I never thought about doing something with technology, and now it's totally in my mind, like doing something in the technology field.
It definitely made me think I'm going to go into computer designing because I love pictures, I love animations, and so apart from this, that's my dream. That is what ICT has actually inspired me to do.
For me, technology was just for nerds and intelligence, and I'm not nerd, so I programmed the app and I learned about technology and changed my vision about that.
I definitely have to say, like this year, I decided to give computer science a try. Before, you know, I always thought it was like, you know, like not really fun. You don't, like I thought you work with the computer all day, like you don't get to meet people, you know. But now I definitely want to do computer science in college.
We want to come back next year because we really like the experience. And like at first it was, we had to we liked the idea of like coming up with an idea and then coding it, and then after that writing about it. It's just a fun experience, especially as a team.
This is an amazing opportunity.
It's
Incredible.
Definitely develop.
Open it to the market.
Yeah, because it's not only for our benefit, but it's to help communities all around, to help schools eliminate so much waste and money, you know?
Yeah. This is just our first step. We have a lot to do.
The next, you've been in first place, you see it.
That's just a brief video to show some of the girls, showcase some of the girls who have gone through the program. And I'm sure it's no mystery to you that women are also very underrepresented in the technology industry, and Technovation is one way that we're trying to change that landscape by introducing more young girls to technology and entrepreneurship early on. We're gearing up for our 2014 season. It'll run from February through April. And we're always looking for more people to be involved, whether it's a mentor or a coordinator or just helping us to recruit more girls in general. So you can visit our website, technovationchallenge.org, for more information. And I'll be around here for a few more minutes too, and I have some handouts too if you're interested. So let me know if you have any questions at all, and thank you so much for your time.